Adorned with vibrant splashes of color against a backdrop of snowy landscapes, waxwings are winter visitors that paint the skies with their mesmerizing flutters. These plump, crested songbirds belonging to the Bombycilla genus are renowned for their Bohemian lifestyle, traversing vast distances in search of sustenance and adventure. Their presence in the northern hemisphere signifies the onset of winter, their cheerful songs and vibrant plumage adding a touch of enchantment to the frosty air. Waxwings are visual delights, their plumage a captivating blend of warm and cool hues. Bohemian waxwings, the most common species, sport a rich chestnut body, accentuated by a striking yellow underbelly and a black mask that extends from the eye to the nape. Their wings are tipped with white, while a splash of crimson adorns their tail feathers. Cedar waxwings, their smaller counterparts, showcase a more subdued palette, their olive-gray bodies adorned with flashes of yellow and red. Waxwings are primarily frugivores, their diet consisting mainly of a variety of berries and fruits. In autumn and winter, they flock to trees and shrubs, feasting on the bounty of rowan berries, hawthorns, and juniper berries. Their sharp beaks are perfectly adapted for extracting the sweet juices from these fleshy fruits, providing them with essential nutrients during the colder months. Unlike many songbirds that adhere to strict migratory routes, waxwings exhibit a more nomadic lifestyle, their movements dictated by the availability of food sources. They roam across vast territories, their flocks sometimes numbering in the hundreds, following unpredictable routes in search of bountiful berry patches. This unpredictable nature has earned them the reputation of Bohemian wanderers, their presence in a particular area often a matter of chance and the whims of nature. As dusk approaches, waxwings gather in communal roosts, seeking shelter and warmth in the safety of numbers. These roosts can be spectacular sights, with hundreds or even thousands of birds congregating in trees or on cliffsides. The air hums with their excited chatter as they settle in for the night, their bodies forming a tapestry of vibrant colors against the darkening sky. Despite their reputation as winter visitors, waxwings possess a surprisingly complex and melodious song repertoire. Their high-pitched calls and whistles, often described as a mix of warbles and trills, carry through the crisp winter air, adding a touch of cheerfulness to the frosty landscape. Their songs, particularly during courtship displays, serve to attract mates and defend territories. Habitat loss and changes in food availability pose significant threats to waxwing populations. Urbanization and deforestation are fragmenting their natural habitats, while the use of pesticides and herbicides can reduce the availability of their favored berry sources. Climate change is also a concern, as it is altering the distribution of fruit-bearing trees and shrubs. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard the future of waxwings, protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable agricultural practices, and raising awareness about their conservation needs are crucial steps in ensuring the continued survival of these captivating birds. Waxwings, with their vibrant plumage, nomadic lifestyle, and cheerful songs, are true envoys of winter's beauty. Their presence in the northern hemisphere adds a touch of enchantment to the frosty landscapes, reminding us of the resilience and adaptability of life amidst the harshness of winter. As we witness their graceful flutters and listen to their enchanting songs, let us appreciate these Bohemian rhapsodies of the winter sky and work towards ensuring their continued presence in the tapestry of nature.